Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your previous app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. It's going to take you to settings list, and you go down. So then here it's going to show for you apps, click on it. Then when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. In here you're looking for premise app, or just click on search. Then here add premise app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, capture storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then you search here for premise app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.